Click, 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 earn money just by clicking. In this video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. An easy way which you can make money online just by clicking on a simple link. Okay, it's not something weird or a random website. This is actually a super legit website. Okay, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a way in which you guys can make money online just by clicking. This is actually a worldwide method, so it doesn't matter where you guys are from, you are going to be able to earn money this way. The website, or one of the websites that I'm going to be talking about, it's startclicks.com. Okay, you can go to startclicks.com, and this is a website that is ready to pay you just by clicking. They have different payment methods such as PayPal, bank transfer, Western Union. Okay, you just need to click and you are going to be able to see the money. Okay, so let me show you something really cool. I went to the website called Similarweb.com. This is a website that shows you the analytics of the website. That you just put the domain name, you put the name of the app, and it's going to show you like the traffic, how much people are actually visiting it, where are they from. And as you can see, over 2 million people have visited this website, okay, on the past 6 months. Okay, most of the people are from Sri Lanka, India, Venezuela, and Taiwan. Okay, why do I want to mention this? Because there are actually people who are, telling like, hey, yeah, this website's cool, it sounds okay, but maybe, this is not for me, because they're always, people mentioning websites are working on US, UK, Australia, Canada. So maybe this is not for me. So that's the reason why I'm telling you that people from these countries are actively using StartClicks, okay? And over 2 million visitors. Trust me, it's actually really, really crazy. Okay, what are you going to be doing? You are going to be actually a publisher, okay? You are going to be a publisher, so that means that you're going to be clicking on the ads. The advertisers are the ones who are actually paying the platform, and the platform is going to be paying you. Okay, you're going to be getting paid instantly. Okay, you can withdraw the balance, the money from PayPal, bank transfers, and other. Okay, this is 100% free to join, and again, this is a worldwide method. Okay, by the way, guys, keep watching the entire video, because at the end I'm going to show you a bonus, okay, which is going to be another way in which you can make money online. If you're enjoying this content, by the way, so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, let me know where are you from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is actually helpful. Okay, so you're going to click here where it says start now, and StartClicks is going to ask you like, okay, what's going to be your nickname? What's your full name? What's your date of birth? Where are you from? Okay, if you were referred by someone, it's going to ask you for a code. If not, that's okay. Okay, you need to make sure that you are going to be actually putting out content. Putting out the valid email address, because you are going to get an activation email. It's going to look something like this. Okay, congratulations, welcome, to startclick.com. Your account was created. Click here to activate your account. Okay, once you activate it, you are going to be able to log in. Okay, and what are you going to be doing? Well, you're going to click here where it says pay-per-click ads. Okay, you're going to go where it says pay-per-click ads, and you're going to click here where it says Ppc Ads. Okay, these are the ads that you have available. Okay, for example, if I click here, okay, it's gonna redirect me to a website. Okay, it's gonna redirect me to a website. Do I need to spend money or here? No. Do you need to spend time here? No. Can I close it right away? Yes, you can close it right away, and you're gonna see that here on my balance, okay, it was already credited. Okay, the website, it's gone because I already click on it. So you can visit the websites as soon as they, loads and everything. You can close it. That's it. Okay, how you can withdraw the money? Okay, you're gonna click here where it says payouts. Okay, here on payouts, it's gonna ask you like, okay, how do you want to get paid? Well, you can get paid with PayPal. You can get paid with Bitcoins. You can get paid with bank transfer. You can get paid with Western Union. As soon as you hit the minimum withdrawal, you can request it. Okay. Also, they do have a referral program. So if you want to go to and be part of the referral program because you're enjoying StartClicks, this is a simple way in which you can actually make money online. You can click here where it says referrals. Click here where it says referral link, and you can share your links. Okay, you can share your links. They are gonna be paying you if someone join. They have different memberships. The membership that I have right now, it's the free membership. I'm not paying for this, but if you want to have more ways in which you can actually make money online, you can upgrade. You can go with the gold membership, you can go with the platinum membership, and if someone decides to upgrade, they're gonna pay you as well. Okay, this is StartClicks. It's really easy, simple way in which you can actually earn money, and you can refer people and earn money as well. Another website that is actually in the same style it's called Getpaid.com. Okay, if you want to have extra money, it's actually the same. The withdraw, if you want to withdraw the money, is actually less. You can join the community just by typing your email address. That's it. So you don't need to fill out a questionnaire as on StartClicks. Okay, and you can see the different activities people were doing. You can redeem with gift cards, again with PayPal and all that stuff. Okay, so this is another way in which you can actually make money. It's Getpaid. It's actually the same style. Okay, so I don't want to get into detail because it is exactly the same as StartClicks. And remember, guys, at the beginning of the video, I told you that there are several ways in which you can make money online. And I have a bonus for you. So if you want to give yourself the opportunity to have a better future, if you want to fire your boss, if you want to live your life in your own terms, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendations to make money online. So if you want something different, if you are, tired of your 9 to 5, give yourself the opportunity to have a better future for your family. Okay. Again, it's going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendations to make money online. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.